What it do, man? It's your boy Battle Truth coming to you live and direct from the Battle Truth headquarters. Let's get right off into this, man. So, Hitman Holla got a battle coming up. The battle is a bet going on for $50,000. So Hitman Holla said he wanted some bloggers to blog, to blog, not blog, to judge these battles. He wanted three. That him and the league owner was gonna fly out, and him and the league owner was gonna fly out. Who was more respectable? I'm laughing because it never stopped with these dudes, man. I just hate and see people don't get like why I always have to throw in my accolades of what I do, man. Because of situations like this. So they was like Jay Blac, that's a given. Then they wanted two more. So then Piper Boy come out. He do a blog. He talking about he never hesitate to try to throw a shot at me or something. He throw out if you doing a Mount Rushmore battle rap, it's me, Chris Unbiased, Angry Man, Jay Blac. If you take Chris Unbiased off, it's Butterfly. You know what I'm saying? We the best in the game. Right. You do know the people don't agree with that, don't you? You just speaking because you speak. And when you're talking about numbers, who doing numbers? Let me just tell you something. My number's better than every last one of y'all. My numbers is better than every last one of y'all's. You, Angry Fan, Jay Blac, and and Butterfly. Y'all been here way longer than me. And my numbers is already where y'all's at. And I've been here less than y'all. My subscribers is higher than y'all's for when I first came in, according to when y'all first came in. I'm way ahead of y'all when it comes to numbers. And when you talk about most respected in battle rap, I don't recall you being mentioned in the Source magazine as most respected bloggers in battle rap. I definitely was. And everybody know I don't know nobody. So who validated me? Who vouched for me? Who co-signed me? I don't know nobody. But the One United Front in the battle rap community. Yet they mentioned me. They left out a lot of people. You, 15 Minutes of Fame, Hip Hop is Real, PSA Podcast. No disrespect to them. Don't you ever stop doing that. Because once I get to throwing out my stuff around, it ain't no comparison. You know that like anybody else. And I don't get endorsed and pushed by nobody. Just the One United Front and the battle rap community that support me. You dudes can't even rap. Y'all can't even rap on beats. Accept your judgment for what? So when you saying things, see, y'all let this stuff go to your head. I don't give a damn. He ain't got to call me out, fly me out. I don't give a damn. Y'all care so much you bickering and fighting over this because you want the validation. You want the just to say, hey, I was considered one of them. Come on, man, get up out of here. And Jay Blac mentioned Black Comp and Tony, bro. And I forgot the other dude's name. And and Mickey Fax. So I guess whatever Jay Blac say goes. That's what y'all do. Y'all eat out that dude's hands. Continue to eat out his hands. I don't care. That's who they listen to. That's who the attention they want. Then hey, that's who they run to. I'm good. I'm good and I'm doing damn good at what I do. Don't ever try to play me to make it seem as though you cats doing something I'm not, or I'm some small fish in a pond that y'all hover over. Y'all are damn bloggers. That's all you is, bloggers in the comfort of your own setting, cutting on the camera, just blogging. That's all the hell you are. Y'all trying to be bigger than what you not. But what you not gonna do, what I'm not gonna let you do, is use my name whenever you feel you want to use it to put it up under you as though you some type of person who hover over me, or I'm some type of dude that get up out of here. We not doing that. Nope. Nope. No, 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 no. We not doing that. I don't care. Look, when it comes to the real people in this game who understand it, they already know. They already know. They already know. Even the battle rappers, for the most part, they already know. They know what it is. Y'all even know what it is. Let's be real. Y'all even know what it is. Not y'all know what it is. Come on, man. Get up out of here, dude. This game been on fire ever since I got here. I don't look. I don't have bad days. Let me say that one more time. I don't have bad days. This is why I be telling y'all why I have to bring this stuff up to these guys. Things like this. Hitman Holler came up, they couldn't wait to flock to it. Somebody sent it to me. I ain't have no idea. This is what they do. They worship, they praise it, they want to be in the in crowd. They want to be at the cool table. I am the cool table. I am the cool table. I get invited. I get invited. These cats never invited but always want to go. Tech 9. Tech 9. I know what I bring to the table. I know what I do. It's unmatched. It's unmatched. I sit here sing, you're not going to out sing me. I sit here and rap, they not going to out rap me. I sit out here and roast these clowns, they not going to out roast me. Pop this real stuff, they not going to do that. Talk about life and they not going to do that. Breaking down these battles, not going to do that. Come on, man, get up out of here. Don't try to throw me under no bus. I ain't under none of you clowns. Yes, I said it. No disrespect to those who didn't say nothing. But for the ones who tried this, come on, we ain't gonna play them games. You're not finna do that. Battle Truth, everybody know what's going on with Battle Truth. Right. Everybody know what's going on with Battle Truth. Everybody know it. The battle rappers, the league owners, everybody know it. Come on, man. Come on, man. I get down, man. Come on, man. My channel ain't even been up 1 year yet. My new channel ain't even been up 1 year yet. Already over 3 million views. What are you talking about? What, numbers? We talking about practice. Practice? Gone. They having a cat fight over Hitman. Fight, scratch each other up. Scratch each other up. I'm going to continue balling. Go on, scratch each other up. Fighting over Hitman. Let me in. Why you didn't mention me? Why you didn't do that? What about me? Huh? What? Right. You can put all them faces on Mount Rushmore. We know who run this game, don't we? Don't we? Yeah, we do. We know who run this game. For real. I don't know what they talking about, man. Man, I don't care. And I've been offered all the jobs. Out the gate. I was offered all the jobs in my first 4 months. Man, look. When I came in the game, Everything that was considered big in battle rap, I had already been involved in my first 3 months. I was offered the jobs in my first 4 months. What are you talking about? They know it. They know it. And birthed a lot of y'all and made you guys start work. You guys ain't never had to work this hard till I got here. Y'all trying to keep up with me. I've been on fire. This what I do. I've been on fire. I never let off the gas. Y'all got to make, look, y'all make this stuff hard on yourself. Y'all trying to keep up with me. I ain't trying to keep up with none of y'all. I made y'all work hard. Y'all ain't never had to work this hard till I got here. That's a fact. Who don't know that? That's a fact. Yeah, thank me later. Thank me later. I'm on cruise control. Y'all can't afford to turn up. Y'all ain't never been working this hard. I'm on cruise control. I can turn up anytime I want to. And I continue to change the game. Y'all can't compete. Stop trying to. Look, stop comparing me with y'all. Especially when you're trying to put y'all over me. You better stop doing that before you hurt yourself. Right. Try to come up with stuff I do. Stuff y'all do, that ain't nothing. Anybody done that. Do something different. Do something different. Right. Right. Like fantasy battle rap. That's mine. I did that. Night Court. That's mine. I did that. Power Hours. That's mine. I did that. Roasting Sessions. That's mine. I did that. Lessons in Love. That's mine. I did that. Pages, Chapters of My Life. That's mine. I did that. What are you talking about, man? What are you talking about? Man, ARP, that's mine. I did that. Master Smack, that's mine. I did that. What are you talking about? Man, what are they talking about? Preliminaries, I did that. Judge, jury, executions, I did that. Come on, man. I got weapons. I got fire. And my battle rap trivias be off the chain. Come on, man. Now, what you talking about? I bought these guys. When the battle rap community abandoned Vada Fly and kicked him out, who bought him back? Admit it. You ain't gonna admit it, is you, Vada? Right. I ain't even kicked the brother when he went down. I bought that brother back. He know that. He know that. He was losing subscribers by the thousands. I did those 3-4 blogs. Like, kick them out for what? Might well kick them all out because they all guilty. Remember, all of them was getting exposed. Every last one of them. They tried to lie on me. Still rose to the occasion. I bought them back. I did them 4 powerful blogs. In his defense, still put them out there, but changed the narrative. And he used my name. That's the first accepted blog he got to put him right back in when he used my name. When he used my name and got him right back in. What are you talking about? Come on now. Who known for having the best shows on the Angry Fan Show? Me. Mine. This is my interview. What are you talking about? Don't ever try to play me. This ain't to the little bloggers. This to the big bloggers. Anybody that got 10,000 subscribers or better. This to them. This ain't to y'all other ones. So don't think I'm talking about y'all. I'm not. I'm talking about these clowns who just came on the internet trying to underplay everybody else. Because they fighting over Hitman holla ball game. Get up out of here. Act like straight up females. Oh, I'm telling y'all, man, I'm so tired of these stuff, man. It ain't even fun. That's what I'm saying. I'm finna do different things, man. Finna do different things. Look at these dudes. See, this what they like. Ain't never been for the people. Ain't never been for the people. Always, they want to be in. I just got the call from them. Oh, they like me on Hitman just called me. Oh, Math just, oh, hollow my guy. Oh, that's what they want. That's what they want. They just want y'all to hear it. They want the fans to hear it. They want the fans to finance it. They want the fans to subscribe to it. But their heart ain't with the people, even though it's the people that make them. I always knew that. That's why I'm so successful in what I'm doing. These battle rappers ain't finna be watching your stuff like that, subscribing to you like that, coming out of their pocket for you like that. But see, they want to be in. They want to be invited to the cool table, or at least be spoke about at the cool table. Every battle rapper I ever spoke to on the phone, they already let me know, like, dog, you one of the realest in the game. You are the realest in the game. I'm trying to tell you what's real. You say what you want. I ain't finna let you play me, though. We ain't doing that. So stop playing me, man. That being said, man, it's your boy Battle Truth. It ain't my judgment that's in question. It's yours. Subscribe to Battle Truth. Stop hating on me. The more you hate, the more people like me. The more you hate, the more you let them see why I'm that guy. And just like you know it, everybody else know it. But I don't care. I don't care. But I'm not going to let you play me. Throw me under the bus. See how you got your platform? See how I got mine? I don't do numbers. Right. Well, let's see how many I do then. It's your boy Battle Truth. Ain't my judgment that's in question. It's yours. Look, and while we talking, I just got a tweet came in. You see that? See this tweet came in? It's while we talking. Look what time it is. This tweet just came in. 6:38. Look what this tweet just said. It said, Hitman holla, you gotta consider at Malachi one united front. He calls it down the middle, in my opinion. See how that worked? Y'all just heard it go off. See how that worked? Come on now. It's your boy Battle Truth. It ain't my judgment that's in question. It's yours. Y'all can fight over Hitman holla. Let me handle the people.